Welcome guys to the Cambridge study. Today we're going to learn about the periodic table. In the periodic table, it consists of 5 things which you have to learn: the introduction, the properties, electronic structure, metals and nonmetals, and transition elements. To give you an introduction regarding the periodic table is basically a way of arranging and classifying elements according to the atomic number. It was invented in 1869 by a Russian chemist called Dmitry Mendeleev. And this table consists of number of rows called periods and number of columns called groups. And there are 3 other blocks of elements, namely the transition metals and the lanthanides and the actinides. Okay, so this is a picture of periodic table which you get an idea about. Now, talking about the periodic table, you've got to learn about the properties of the periodic table: electronic structures and chemical bonds. The number of outermost electrons increases across the period from left to right. Elements in the same group have the same number of outermost electrons, which is also equal to the group number, with the exception of group 0 elements have either 2 or 8 outermost electrons. As a result, elements in the same group form ions with the same charge, and they also form compounds with similar chemical formula. Metals and nonmetals. The elements becomes less metallic from left to right. Elements become less electronegative, more metallic in nature as they move down in the group. That's the meaning of less electronegative. There's a diagonal dividing line between the metals and nonmetals. Elements close to this dividing line have both metallic and nonmetallic properties, so they are defined as metalloids. Metallic elements tend to form basic oxides, while the nonmetallic elements form acidic oxides, and metalloids form amphoteric oxides, which means that they have the properties of both acidic and basic. Elements in the same group. They have the same number of electrons in the outermost shell. They form ions with a similar formula. They form compounds with similar chemical properties and have similar physical and chemical properties. So they are the properties of elements in the same group. Group means the columns, and periods means the rows in the periodic table, as I gave you in the introduction. So my dear friends, we have come to the end of our video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and that's when you receive all my notifications of the future videos, so that you would not miss any physics, chemistry or biology videos. And thanks for watching again, and see you soon guys.